Well, my wife and I decided that we wanted to do a partial kitchen remodel, and that was the granite the countertops and the backsplash. And so that was the initial project. I think found him on Angie's list and identified 2 or 3 or 4 and started making phone calls, and immediately had a great first impression and just over the phone with Dean. He gave me a couple of contacts and references right off the bat, and within day one I had an appointment for him to come visit my wife and I. I had already contacted 2 or 3 references and had very open and discussions with Dean's previous customers, and yeah, that's how that went. So it was a great start. I think the thing that I like the most about working with Dean is when I first called him, he, I think, answered the phone on the first or second ring, and that's something that I really appreciate about him. I know I'm not his only customer, but I feel like we're his only customer because every time I call, it's either half a ring, 1 ring, and he's there, and I have his full. I feel like he's giving me his full attention. So from start to finish, we worked with Dean now for a little under a year overall, but at every step of the way, I feel like his level of customer service that he was offering was second to none. Yeah, my wife and I, we really couldn't be happier. This initial project for granite and backsplash expanded into much more, and it went beyond just the work that he did, but he offered references, opinions, ideas about other projects. We ended up having some insurance repair type work done for the exterior and some interior, and he managed that whole project. Outside of just kitchen work, he managed contractors quite well. We were very satisfied with that. We love the Dean experience.
First of all, Mark, thank you so much for allowing me to do this beautiful work with you. This is awesome. Thank you also. I hope you had the full Dean experience.
Absolutely, Dean. You've been a pleasure to work with from day one till today. So I'm quite happy and would look forward to working with you in the future.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Awesome.
Well, you're welcome.